rice ball cake rising on top of the water. We call in Tagalog Palutang. Very lucky to have during New Year's Eve and New Year's Day that I have shown you in the previous video how to cook, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, or in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. The word Nanay means mom in English. Nene is the affectionate name of my beloved mom, Teodora, because my mom is the only girl in her family and the first one I never elected public official in our hometown, and a top-notcher as well as my dad, and proposed and founded the only public high school where I, her daughter, yes, that's me, speaking to you about the video, first started as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the youngest teacher association president. And then I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the university where I graduated, and then all the way here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am. My dad was a USA stenographer typist for so many years, and when he retired, he was twice an elected leader, and he signed a public school budget. That's my dad. And more in this, my 22 books, yes, 22, and Mom and Chef is one of the 22 books available worldwide as well, and more delightful food recipes right here. And as I have shown you in the previous video how to cook palutang, rising rice ball cake, and now it is ready for us to be enjoyed. Now we're going to take them one by one. One of my favorite that my mom always cooked during New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and it's a tradition that brings good luck because it's rising. Whenever you cook, it rising up above the water, just like you're seeing here. And let's get one more. For you and me and all of us, this is super yum. Wow, perfect. Look at that. Oh my goodness. We're going to taste it right here for you and me and all of us. Wow, look at that. So beautiful, isn't it? And as I have shown you in the previous video how to cook, we're going to sprinkle coconut flakes. We call coconut flakes in Tagalog palabok. And wow, isn't it so beautiful and super delicious? You're gonna love this as I do. And come on in, you're all invited at my table. And I'm going to sprinkle more palabok or coconut flakes. This is super yum. Come on in, you're all invited at my table. I'm so excited, even my voice is jumping. Blessing for food. Isn't it important? Let's bless our food first. Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustaining. And so it is done, beloved and young. So, we're ready. Oh my, this is super yum. I like the sticky rice palutang. And this is still hot. Hot, hot, hot. And let's put this all together for you and me and all of us. Yum, yum. Lucky Palutang. Yum. Look at that. So good. Wow, super delicious. Excuse me, please. The coconut flakes, just perfect with a sticky rice ball cake palutang. Lucky palutang to have every New Year. Happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Kain na po tayo. In English means, come on and eat. Napakasarap. That means super delicious. Happy cooking. Palutang. Yum. Enjoy. Happiest of New Year's 2026 and moving forward. Enjoying Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Available at Amazon, X-Libris, Barnes & Noble, and all bookstores near you. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com, JGutierrez.com. Wow, enjoy palutang. It's super delicious. You're gonna love this as I do. So yummy, super flavorful, and lucky to have during New Year. Lucky palutang. Ube palutang that I have shown you in the previous video how to cook. Enjoy. Happy cooking, Happy New Year, forever and ever, with long lives, prosperity, good health, love and light goes on.